Well, the wind's taken off the head of that dog. Took out the graveyard there. And I've removed all the gravestones. All the gravestones are gone. We got ourselves a wicked windstorm. By all means, we're getting torn up right now, guys. Torn up. Damn. Torn up. Holy crap. Those trees are angry. Yeah. Woo. So there we go, guys. We're not getting rained on. Just serious wind. Oh. There we go. P&W style. Windy night. Lots of new webs. Ooh, scary. Windy. Look at this. It's mad. Love it. It is getting blasted around here right now. Saturday night. Chilling. Hope I don't lose power. We usually know. Bam. Looking good, guys. That is right. All the way up. And B now. Oh yeah. Thank you guys for hanging out. We'll see you guys soon.